The Pyramid 2650 has everything you need to track employee time, including 25 time cards, 1 ribbon, and 2 security keys. The two-sided time card handles up to 31 days and records up to 6 punches per day for each employee. Eliminate overpunching with automatic card alignment and active column indicator. Choose weekly, bi-weekly, semi-monthly, or monthly pay periods. The Pyramid 2650 manages an unlimited number of employees and automatically resets for daylight savings time and power outages. The tamper-proof security lock protects settings. Choose desktop or wall mount installation. Read our reviews. Easiest time clock ever. Simple to set up and operate. Perfect for our small business. Stop wasting time and start tracking employee time with the Pyramid 2650 time clock.